I have a list here with a red bullet that I'm going to drag and drop into this list with a black bullet. And now I'm going to zoom in. And I'm going to keep dropping. And again. And one last time. I am now at the bottom of this particular outline, and that's how easy it is to drop lists down into deeper levels. So what if I wanted to manually take lists to the next level up? Well, one way to do that would be to zoom out using a WORKFLOWY keyboard shortcut. And then I expand this outline, drag my list out, and then collapse. Let's move this list up another level. So zoom out with a WORKFLOWY keyboard shortcut, expand, drag and drop, and then collapse. And we'll stop right there. And this is where the move up and go POWERPACK script comes in. Let's take a look-see. When I activate my move up and go script, not only is this list going to jump up to the next zoomed out level, but I will also zoom out at the same time. So my shortcut is Z, up we go, and here's my list. Right here next to the list it was previously nested inside. As you can see, my cursor is still in the list I'm moving. So let me activate my shortcut to move my list up yet again. And here we are, back where we started. So now I'm going to jump to my WORKFLOWY Academy outline. Let me show you a super simple scenario. I've got two main sections here. One is for writing related activities, and the other focuses just on screencasts. I've decided to move the first one to the next level up. Up and away. And here, one level up, you'll see that one project list has now become two separate ones. The Move Up and Go script is a quick and easy install. Let's show you how. So now I'm jumping to my WFX POWERPACK. I'm zooming into Move Up and Go, and then my script. We need to use the built-in shortcut WFS to begin the installation. And the only thing to do now is choose an easy to remember shortcut. I decided that Z for zoom out is an intuitive one. And we're done. So here's to moving up in this WORKFLOWY world of yours and going places. Don't forget to follow the link in the description box for yet another screencast on moving your lists in WORKFLOWY.